Ex-engineer from Google and Apple warns of programmer apocalypse. AI revolution on the horizon. Welcome to our Virtual Geek channel, and don't forget to subscribe. The end of programmers. Will AI shape the future of software development? The advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, within the realm of programming have sparked a debate about the future of software developers. Matt Welsh, a former engineer at Google and Apple, believes that programs such as ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot have the potential to radically change the nature of a developer's work, prompting them to reinvent themselves in roles such as ad teachers or code reviewers. Generative AI has shown its capability to automate certain aspects of software development. Although it is unlikely to completely replace developers in the short term, the impact of AI on the industry is undeniable. Welsh argues that the rapid improvement of these technologies could lead to a not-so-distant future where AI handles the majority, if not all, of the coding tasks within a development team. A prime example of AI's influence on programming is GitHub Copilot, a tool that assists in real-time code writing. According to Welsh, in projects that utilize Copilot, nearly 40% of the code is written by AI, demonstrating how this technology significantly enhances developers' productivity. Despite the progress in AI, no currently available tools can fully replace programmers. However, Welsh believes that this will change in the future, leading to a shift where code writing transitions from being a human task to one performed by robots. Programmers will need to adapt and assume new roles, such as ad teachers, product managers, or code reviewers. The pace at which this field is advancing is astonishing, and Welsh cites examples of people using ChatGPT to write games and other programs from scratch. Although the results can be inconsistent, the performance and quality are higher than what was expected just a year ago. To demonstrate his theory, Welsh has founded his own startup, Fixie.ai, with the aim of helping companies create custom software using machine learning models like ChatGPT and similar programs. The automation platform for large-scale linguistic models intends to connect AI models to external systems, such as databases or software tools, to answer questions, generate text, and automate workflows that would typically require a significant amount of customized code. Recently, Fixie.ai closed a funding round of $17 million, led by Redpoint Ventures, reflecting the interest and confidence in AI's potential in software development. In summary, while artificial intelligence cannot yet fully replace programmers, its impact on the software development industry is undeniable and growing. Programmers will need to adapt and reinvent themselves in a world where AI plays an increasingly central role in code creation. The future of programming may be uncertain, but what is clear is that artificial intelligence will change the way we work and conceive software development. As AI continues to evolve, programmers may need to learn new skills and adapt to new roles. For example, as AI-generated code becomes more prevalent, code reviewers will be in high demand to ensure the accuracy and efficiency of the code produced by these AI systems. Additionally, programmers may need to develop their expertise in specific niche areas, where human intuition and creativity still hold a significant advantage over AI. It is also worth considering the ethical implications of AI-generated code. Will there be a need for new ethical guidelines to address potential biases and unforeseen consequences arising from AI-generated software? Programmers, as well as other stakeholders in the software development process, will need to navigate these ethical concerns as AI continues to play a larger role in the industry. In the long run, the collaboration between AI and human developers has the potential to revolutionize the software development process, leading to faster and more efficient software creation. However, it is essential to recognize the potential challenges and obstacles that may arise along the way. By staying informed and adapting to the changing landscape, programmers can ensure they remain an integral part of the software development process in the era of artificial intelligence. By staying informed and adapting to the changing landscape, programmers can ensure they remain an integral part of the software development process in the era of artificial intelligence.